The United States has officially committed to providing 30 units of the Mark VI patrol boats to the Philippines. This decision aims to bolster the nation's defense against potential threats posed by Chinese vessels navigating the disputed waters. The delivery of these patrol boats will be conducted gradually over the next 3 years and strategically stationed in 3 key areas of Philippine territorial waters: the Sulu Sea, Mindanao Sea, and the West Philippine Sea. The South China Sea has been a focal point of international attention for several years, marked by overlapping sovereignty claims among nations in the region, particularly between the Philippines and China. Disputes over the ownership of islands and reefs have sparked tensions and raised security concerns in the area. The Mark VI patrol boat is a formidable maritime asset equipped with an array of weaponry, including machine guns, cannons, and missiles. Boasting a maximum speed of 40 knots, these vessels are capable of carrying up to 20 personnel. The advanced weaponry and navigation systems on board will enhance the Philippines' capabilities for maritime surveillance and law enforcement operations. The Philippine government has warmly welcomed the United States' decision to provide Mark VI patrol boats. Philippine Defense Secretary Gilbert Teodoro stated that these vessels would significantly aid the country in safeguarding its sovereignty. These ships will give the Philippines a stronger capability to counter threats from Chinese vessels, said Gilbert Teodoro. As of now, China has not officially commented on the United States' decision. China has consistently asserted its sovereignty over the South China Sea, employing various measures such as building military bases on islands and atolls in the region. This move by the United States is not only influencing regional dynamics but also having repercussions on the global stage. Neighboring countries, including Vietnam, Malaysia, and Indonesia, may reconsider their security policies in response to this escalation. Additionally, reactions from nations outside the region, such as U.S. allies Japan and Australia, will be of significant interest. Security analysts view the delivery of 30 Mark VI patrol boats as a substantial step in supporting the Philippines' foreign policy. This move can be seen as a strong signal from the United States that it remains committed to supporting its allies in Southeast Asia and ensuring regional stability. With this military enhancement, many anticipate a potential increase in tensions in the South China Sea, especially with the expected response from China. However, this action may also serve as a catalyst for further diplomatic dialogues among involved parties to seek mutually acceptable solutions and prevent further escalation. The United States' decision to provide Mark VI patrol boats to the Philippines is not only a security measure but also a critical element in the evolving geopolitical dynamics of the Asia-Pacific region. This development will be closely monitored by the international community due to its potential to impact tensions and stability in the South China Sea. While the provision of advanced patrol boats is intended to enhance security, it also carries the risk of escalating tensions in the South China Sea. The increased presence of Philippine patrol boats equipped with advanced weaponry could lead to more frequent and potentially more dangerous encounters with Chinese vessels. China is likely to respond to this development by increasing its own naval and coast guard activities in the region, potentially leading to a cycle of action and reaction that could heighten the risk of conflict. Diplomatic efforts will be crucial in managing these tensions and preventing incidents from escalating into broader confrontations. Despite the potential for increased tensions, the delivery of the Mark VI patrol boats could also serve as a catalyst for renewed diplomatic dialogues. The presence of enhanced maritime capabilities may encourage involved parties to seek mutually acceptable solutions and engage in negotiations to de-escalate the situation. International forums and mechanisms, such as the Association of Southeast Asian Nations, ASEAN, and the United Nations, could play important roles in facilitating dialogue and promoting peaceful resolutions to the disputes. The Philippines, supported by its enhanced maritime capabilities, may be in a stronger position to advocate for its interests in such negotiations. The United States' decision to provide Mark VI patrol boats to the Philippines is not only a security measure but also a critical element in the evolving geopolitical